Is not heavily tested, but it simply requires you understand a key idea. Okay, you have to have memorized. I had you write it down, I'm pretty sure, because it wasn't on the golden notes. The word horizontal asymptote and the word limit as x approaches infinity or negative infinity are the same thing. And they love to test you on both ideas. So in this problem, what they're doing is, they say horizontal asymptote. You say that means I need to find the limit as x approaches infinity of the formula they gave me. That's what you have to come up with on your own.
Oh, wait.
So this problem, just like I said to April, 22, I can tell right away, this is a mess. Like I have to keep reading and reading and reading. This one I don't. I read it once and know exactly what to write down. Please.
The correlation between the horizontal asymptote.
So the word horizontal asymptote literally means limit as x approaches infinity. Because that's what it means. It's like really, I know it sounds stupid, but it's like, why is this called a table? Because it is. Yeah. Horizontal, like somebody, think of it this way. Look, hey, somebody long ago got tired of saying, we need to find a limit as x approaches infinity. They said, let's just call it something else. Let's just call it a horizontal asymptote.
Even though that's longer.
But they're the same thing.
Okay.
Does that help a little? Please, point.
Isn't it because it says what are all the horizontal asymptotes? Doesn't it also asking for the limit as x approaches negative infinity?
Correct.
Which is important for this.
In many problems, they're the same. In this one, they are not. So let's keep going here.
Okay.
Okay, we did a limit problem today already, yes? Number one. So you look at the limit flashcard. It's back to what Logan said. You identify terms that add. And now you have to remember that as x grows, this term is going to become much larger than this term. This term will become much more negative than this term. Therefore, I create a new limit problem. Remember, it's negative 1 multiplied by 2 to the x. That's what negative means. Question? Raise your hand if you know that limit. Hands up. What goes here? What do I write here? The idea is to recognize that you have a 1 right here. As x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, that is going to equal exactly 1. Divided by negative 1 is going to be negative 1. How many knew it before I wrote it? Point. Question. 2 points for me. Don't have it. Okay, now as Spencer said, we need to check the other limit. So we go to limit as x approaches negative infinity. Okay, you have to remember from a previous class that 2 raised to an extremely negative number is extremely small. Therefore, now the dominant terms are the 5 and the 1. So the limit as x approaches negative infinity is a positive 5. Question? Correct answer is E.
So they just throw in the y equals 0 just to like throw you off?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Please. Now, listen, hey,
Actually, this is undefined at y equals.
listen. They actually threw this question out on the actual AP test. They did not score it. They decided that it was unfair to have like kind of a correct answer here and kind of a correct answer here. Although they did say the word all, they just decided they didn't think it was fair. So,
Showing mercy.
18.